morning, everybody. It's Chris Explorer back again with William Manning right here, and that's his rig right there. And recently I just purchased a rooftop tent like his right there, and we're about to install it in the truck. So I'm gonna do a time lapse right now because it might be boring, it might take a while. They put it right there lower, so it'll be kind of lower. We were on an incline right here in our driveway, so we didn't want to do it there. So we decided to do it right here in the street. Right, boy?
Yeah.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the damn time. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
Good morning, everybody. It's Chris Explorer with a brand new video. Hopefully all you guys are doing well. We got here around 7:30. It was dark, so I didn't get to shoot how we set this up right here. There's Jeremiah. Here's our setup right here. There's a tent, newly installed tent. I'll show you guys how it looks. It's pretty spacious. It's just the two of us last night here. Cover. There's another cover. Sorry guys, I apologize. But so you guys can see, it's pretty spacious over here. Right? And you guys are wondering where did Jeremiah and Eliza slept? They're in the bed of the truck right here. I'm gonna show you guys how the setup was for them, which was fine. And they weren't that cold. There's EJ right there. They put like a little temporary bed for them. So we're still gonna set that up once we get the time, you know. There's Eliza still sleeping, and there's Jeremiah. We're in Lake Cachuma. We're in Santa Barbara, and we're here with Chris and family. Okay. Cooking breakfast now. So is Chris. Just woke up. It's a beautiful location over here in Santa Barbara. If you guys haven't been here, you should give it a visit. See the lake from here. What are you cooking for breakfast, Chris?
Tocino.
Tocino, alright. Filipino food.
Yeah, man.
Alright, I'll vlog again later once we go to the other campsite. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace. So I'm still charging my GoPro. I only brought the GoPro for today. But it's time for breakfast. Look, everybody's eating breakfast. Sarah made sopas. They have Chris and them made tocino and rice. So it's that time.
Topsilog.
Topsilog right there.
Yum.
Yummy. Like it, boy?
Yeah.
So guys, I'm take you guys on a walk so you'll see what the view is over here. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous over here. It's my first time here, you know. Just gotta let it soak in what I'm seeing. I'm gonna share with you guys the view. It's awesome. Check it out. Look at that. Videos and pictures doesn't do justice to the location. You just gotta visit it on your own. Find time to check out places and enjoy the moment. There's a lot of people camping out here. It's Lake Cachuma in Santa Barbara. Okay. It's a big lake. It's in Santa Barbara, so it took us like 5 hours to drive since we were coming from San Diego yesterday. So if you were coming from our place, probably like 3.5, 4, plus traffic. You got to factor in traffic. It was Friday afternoon and it was a long weekend, President's Day weekend. And we got lucky, we got this campsite. There's EJ and Jen. Looks like they came from the lake already. We already saw the lake. I'm just gonna walk over there. See what we could check out there. You can see the different setup from the campers out here. How's the walk?
We went down, there's a campsite right there.
There's a campsite there too?
Yeah, and then you can see the lake. There's like a dock.
Trail? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll go check it out.
Yeah, it's cool.
There's a pool here too, so it'd be great for the summer. So let's check it out. It's a nice campsite right here. They got water. If you guys hear something like breathing hard, it's probably me, since you know, lack of exercise and too much food that I consume, you know, makes me out of shape. I am out of shape. Haven't been to the gym in so long, but it is what it is. I'll get back into it once I figure something out, because started working and started going to school also, back to college online. It's time consuming. That's what's taking most of my time now. And I haven't been vlogging or doing stuff because, you know, if you go to school there's timeline for homeworks and all that. So that's what I've been doing. I don't know where I'm going, but I might just stop here to share with you guys the view right there. I'm still kind of cold, but it's not really cold, so it's a perfect day to be out here, one with the nature, Mother Nature.
Wala? Ay, meron ka. Nakapanghinayang gamitin.
Let's do a big walk around.
Right there. I don't like How long is this your honey?
The owning, I had it. I actually had it before my RTP. Okay. I had it for like 8 months now. So
whichever one.
The link is 25 to 50.
So,
They have many hundreds.
Just gotta walk around, check out everybody's setup over here. We're at the main camp right now. We just got invited 2 weeks ago, so we were kind of far. It's three bodies. Brazil and the restroom setup for change. Okay. There's Ron's Frontier.
Sitting down. That's why I went for a gazelle.
Just a quick walkthrough.
We have to use that more often.
may kasama kami sa bawat.
And we got taho over here. Bili na kayo yung taho.
Akala ko talaga yung meter mo, camera.
Sa hili. Oh, ito sarap na yun.
Marami rin mag-i-explain dyan.
Just give me an idea of what to do on my max tracks right there. I can just hang it instead of exposing it outside. And then there's a big water tank right here. Fridge.
You don't have to talk
And then this water heater.
yung mga small points. I was gonna put all the videos together.
There's a magnet right here. Something I was thinking about before because I got a lot of pinstripes on my rig already.
Pero ginawa sa akin parang one episode, di ba? Siya lang.
Cool water cooking song.
In general tayo lahat.
Hindi ko lang ito.
Ate Marisa?
Stay at the campsite, and then locally there'll be some trails. So whoever wants to go,
Go.
I will.
What's up, Kevin?
What's up, sir? How are you?
Good, good. Meeting some people I've never met before on the chat.
Oh, and that's what I want. But once I set up.
So I was talking about amount of shave and always eating, but how can you go on a diet if you're on a campsite and everybody's bringing food? So can't really say no, right? You gotta eat what they have. We just got done eating barbecue on the stick, skewers, and now they're bringing some more food. So it's non-stop food fest for the rest of the weekend. So like I was saying, how can you lose weight, right? Every time you go, you're eating. Right there. It's how to eat.
Matt.
Right there. Still got fish over there.
Kung saan nilalagay ito?
Smells good. Wish you had aroma vision so you can see it. You can smell it. But, too bad you can't. There's cables.
I just learned it from Tom. I'm just learning how this goes. I'm just being cold.
Alright, I'm gonna go vlog again after I eat. It's time to grub. So we're leaving camp now. I didn't really record when we were clearing everything up and all that, but here's the campsite, guys. Awesome Santa Barbara area. If you guys are in Santa Barbara, you should check out Lake Cachuma. It is about 3 or 4 hours away from us. I don't know, because when we were driving towards here, we were coming from San Diego. It took us a few hours because of our little delay, you know, traffic, and we stopped a couple of times. But that's it, guys. We're gonna head towards Cerritos to get some to eat, and heading home after that, and offload everything that we use for our camping. And that's it, guys. Chris Explorer is out. Peace. See you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching today's episode. Hit the like and subscribe, and hit that notifications button so you can be updated the next time we have a vlog. Thank you.